Hi guys! For today's video, samahan niyo ko na bumili ng regalo ngayon para kay Bilog kasi birthday niya sa linggo and bukas sa alis na kasi siya and wala siya dito sa sa birthday niya. So ngayon i-advance namin kali yung mini cake na bibigyan namin sa kanya and syempre yung gift namin para sa kanya. Sayang hindi ko kasama si Kali na magmamall. Alam pa naman niya na magbibigay kami ng present sa papa niya. And so yun, pero okay lang kasi naglalaro naman sila din sa sala ngayon. Pero hindi nila alam na pupunta ako ng mall, ang alam nila magtatrabaho. Samahan niyo ako ngayon na pumunta sa mall. Let's cheese! And here. Yeah, I got the mini cake. Got the cake. And the candle. So, tatago ko muna to kasi for sure makikita niya to mamaya. Ay! Bumaliktad! Ay! Bumaliktad! Bumaliktad! Nakakabilis talaga naman. I'm so sorry. Hey guys, we're here at the park na. Kaso, mamimuli muna ako kay Bilog. Sabi ko magpapahinga lang ako saglit ko natin. Naglakad kasi ako kanina. So, here's the jacket. Ito yung nabili ko sa kanya. Jacket na pang winter kasi wala siya nito. So, hopefully magustuhan mo yung gift namin ni Kali for you. Yung maging happy ka. Oh my God, kukunin ko pa yung bumaliktad na cake. Diyos ko, die, anak ni Inday. So, ito yung cake. Bumaliktad pero okay lang. So, yan silang dalawa. Hi. Yun, dala ko na ngayon. Hi. Let's go to the sand. Let's go to the sand. Let's go. Go to the sand. So, yun, naglalaro sila ni Kali. Nice ko lang ito. So, yun na nga. Nasira yung cake. Pero okay lang. Yada. Nasira yun. Nabagsak kasi guys. Here's the water. Kali, let's go. Let's give Papa's gift. Kasi Papa's birthday. Come on, come on. Ayun yung cake ni Papa. Come on. Ayun yung cake ni Papa. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Come on. Let's bring Papa. Say, Papa, come here. Come here. Go.
Wait, stop, stop. Stop, Papa. Stop. Okay, Papa.
Happy birthday! Yung cake. Isa papa daw. Buhatin mo si Kali. Buhatin mo muna si Kali. Buhatin mo si Kali. What this, Kali? Sorry, Papa, tumaob yung cake. Dito kayo. Magbablow si Papa ng birthday cake, ha? Cake. Happy birthday. Sorry, Papa, nabalik. Yay! Pero wag mo i-blow. Bawal i-blow eh. Wait lang. Happy birthday, Papa! Here's the cake! Lumapit ka na lang, Papa. Wait lang. So... what will you say to Papa? Say, happy birthday, Papa! Kiss Papa. Kiss Papa. Kiss. Happy birthday. You sing happy birthday. No, this one. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sing na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hooray! Kiss Papa! Kiss Papa!
Yeah! Oh, blow, blow!
Blow!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Gosh, sarap.
Happy birthday, Papa! Yay! At sit down mo dito si Kali. Sit down mo dito. Sukat mo, Papa.
Daming alam talaga.
Oh, Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Papa, Papa, Papa.
Parang leather na mababaklas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
XL. Malaki nga yan eh.
Ito mga pinakamalaki.
Happy birthday.
May maganda sabi mo kasi wala kang ganito. Eh meron ako nagustuhan para sa'yo kasi hindi ko kinakati. Sabi ko
Playground.
ito. The birthday boy. Happy birthday, Papa.
Whenever people ask me what I like best about my life or what I'm thankful for, I always think of you. You are my peace. You are my home. This love with you is surreal.
Birthday to you. Blow mo. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Blow, blow. Yay! Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, mabilis, blow, blow.
Ganun naligo, blow.
Isa pa.
Another one. Ba't ka tulog? Malunod ka ng malunod. Hindi tulog yung mata mo pula na.